Who got an Instapot for Christmas? I didn't, but I got one for you because I know everybody's going crazy over them. And today I'm going to show you how to make Kung Pao chicken on a weeknight in 15 minutes. You will need the following things. You will need 1 zucchini cut up into bite-sized pieces, 1 red bell pepper cut up into bite-sized pieces. You're gonna need 1 1/2 pounds of chicken thighs. This to me is what makes the difference. If you use chicken breast, in my opinion, I don't think it's gonna taste like takeout. 2/3 cups of cashews, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, or arrowroot for people who wanna be paleo. Then you're gonna have sesame seeds for garnishing, also green onions for garnishing. I forgot to cut them up though, shit. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or I'm using ghee, which is clarified butter, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and then you're gonna need salt and pepper, and I don't remember how much of those. I just don't. Then for your sauce, over here, 1/3 cup of sodium, 1/2 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried red pepper flakes. Or if you're like me, just a ton. I love a spicy situation. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to take your chicken and you're gonna put it in a big baggie with the arrowroot and the salt and pepper, okay? Now, before we start, what is so great about having an Instapot? What is it about this machine that has everybody in the country enthralled? I think it's just because it cooks food fast. And in a crock pot, you can't change the temperature to like saute things. But in a pressure cook, what's the difference? I don't know right now, but I'll find out when I'm editing this, okay? Saute on. Then we're gonna add some of our ghee, and then we're gonna brown the chicken, just little by little. If you do not have time for this, don't worry about it, skip it. All this is doing is creating a little crust around the chicken. Okay, now I'm gonna add the sauce. Then I'm going to close the lid. I'm gonna close the lid. Oh, I'm gonna close the lid. I'm gonna pressure cook for 3 minutes. Seems like a bad way to do it, but. That was the longest 3 minutes of my life. Don't set it for 3 hours, set it for 3 minutes. The hours are on the right-hand side, the minutes are on the left-hand side, okay? Great. Now, it is done cooking for 3 minutes, and you can do 2 things. You could either let it naturally decompress. Is that the opposite of pressure? I don't know. You can let it naturally depressurize by itself. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can do that. I'm so scared. What happens? Don't put your face over this or anything. Could easily burn yourself. Huh. Wow, look at that. Transfer your chicken to a bowl. Then you are going to put your Instapot on saute. Now I'm gonna put all my vegetables in. I'm going to also add my red pepper flakes. Okay. So while this is cooking about 2 to 3 minutes, because you want the vegetables to be tender, you know what I mean? You don't want to be mushy. You're gonna make what is called a cornstarch slurry, but I'm using arrowroot. It is just 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot and 2 tablespoons of water mixed up. All right, then I'm gonna pour this in, and all this is gonna do is thicken up this sauce, okay? Look, it just thickens it right up, okay? All right, now you're gonna add the chicken back into this bubbling, gooey, delicious, sticky, burning business. All right, and then you're pretty much done. Look at that. I want the nuts in. And that's it, people. Okay, so like what's incredible about that, if you skip the sauteing step and you skip the letting it naturally decompress, that takes 6 minutes. That's incredible, okay? Holy cow, that's good. Oh, it's really spicy too. Like, why would you ever get takeout again? I'm not kidding. Good luck. Enjoy. This is a very good Friday night, Saturday night. I want takeout, but we're trying to save money meal.